Hey, I'm Ryan Callaghan. It's turkey season. This is my deck drawer setup. The key for me for finding new areas, start of the season, locating game, is staying mobile. And using the deck drawer system, not only am I highly mobile, but I'm highly organized. I have my whole sleeping setup, plus all my clothes in one drawer. And then in the other drawer, I have my shotgun, set of shooting sticks, a couple of camp things, but then nitrile gloves, little extra clothes, a couple of batteries, oil for the chainsaw, bear spray, hearing protection, good knife. Especially when I'm locating turkeys, I cover a lot of miles on dirt roads. So having these gaskets here on these drawers keeps them all dust free, which is absolutely invaluable.